Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use UAD Neve 1073, only way. Start by inserting the 1073 plugin onto the track you want to color, then choose the preamp model. Trim input gain so peaks sit below clipping while retaining harmonic warmth. Engage the high pass gently to clean sub-rumble, then add the EQ bands sparingly to taste. A light drive can add pleasing saturation without harshness. Warm up gain staging by setting clean input levels into the 1073 plugin so meters sit comfortably below clipping. Use the preamp gain to taste, adding subtle drive only when it enhances tone. Check levels against other tracks to preserve headroom for mastering. If you follow with compression, set threshold and ratio conservatively, watching gain reduction meters to avoid squashing dynamics. Small adjustments often yield the most musical results. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so you'll see more practical walkthroughs like this one. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh ride while you mix. I've linked the item and other deals in the description for convenience, so check there if you want it. Now let's get back to the video. Approach EQ with purpose by using the 1073 broad musical bands to enhance character without overdoing it. Add presence in the 3 to 6 kHz range for vocal intelligibility and air, while a gentle low shelf near 80 to 150 Hz gives body. If a frequency rings, prefer narrow cuts over broad boosts to preserve natural tonality. Always a slash be your changes, and trust subtlety when shaping source material.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.